Unraveling Einstein's Brain, the mystery behind his genius. The story of Albert Einstein's brain is as captivating as the man himself. Not only did he radically change the way we perceive the universe with his theory of relativity, but even after his death, his brain has sparked intrigue and curiosity. Scientists have long endeavored to crack the secret behind his genius by dissecting the physical makeup of his mind. In this exploration, we delve into the extraordinary world of Einstein's brain and its anatomy, the mysteries it holds, and the ethical implications of such research. The post-mortem examination of Einstein's brain. In the aftermath of Einstein's death in 1955, an event occurred that would ignite both curiosity and controversy. Without obtaining the necessary permissions from Einstein's family, pathologist Dr. Thomas Harvey took the liberty of removing the brain during the autopsy. He further dissected the brain into 240 segments, each preserved meticulously in celloidin, a form of cellulose. Driven by a deep-seated fascination and an earnest desire to unveil the neurological roots of Einstein's unparalleled intelligence, Dr. Harvey embarked on an explorative journey that would, in time, reveal astounding insights into the neuroanatomy of genius. The anatomical abnormalities in Einstein's brain. An intriguing revelation from the meticulous analysis of Einstein's preserved brain segments was the presence of multiple anatomical deviations. Of note, Einstein's brain weighed only 1,230 grams, which is somewhat lighter than the average brain weight in males. But perhaps the most fascinating deviation was found in his parietal lobe, which manages functions like spatial cognition and mathematical processing. Einstein's parietal lobe was found to be 15% broader than the norm, and notably lacked a typical groove found in most people's brains. This unusual structure could have potentially amplified the connectivity of neurons within this region. Some scientists speculate that such unique structural attributes might have played a role in shaping Einstein's exceptional cognitive abilities. The superior corpus callosum of Einstein. Einstein's brain revealed an astonishing feature: a remarkably well-developed corpus callosum. This key neural structure, comprising a dense bundle of nerve fibers, acts as the primary conduit of communication between the brain's two hemispheres. Einstein's corpus callosum was exceptionally well-formed, likely facilitating superior interhemispheric communication. This unique characteristic could have enhanced his cognitive processing capabilities, perhaps enabling the thought experiments and mental visualizations that were emblematic of this scientific approach. These findings suggest that a unique pattern of neural connectivity, particularly involving the corpus callosum, might be a common trait amongst those with extraordinary cognitive abilities. However, it's crucial to remember that these observations offer just a glimpse into the intricacies of genius and don't entirely account for Einstein's unparalleled intellect. Einstein's brain and the aging process. As part of the study on Einstein's brain, researchers have also scrutinized its resistance to the typical degenerative effects of aging. Interestingly, upon his death at the age of 76, Einstein's brain showed an exceptional level of preservation, not displaying the expected signs of aging-associated neurodegeneration. Several scientists attribute this to the noticeably thick cerebral cortex in Einstein's brain. This region of the brain, responsible for higher cognitive functions such as memory, attention, and consciousness, is known to thin with age, often leading to cognitive decline. However, Einstein's cerebral cortex showed a remarkable degree of thickness, which might have acted as a protective shield against age-related cognitive deterioration. In addition to this, researchers also discovered an abundance of glial cells in Einstein's brain. These cells, which support and insulate neurons, tend to increase in number with age as a compensatory response to neuron loss. Yet, in Einstein's case, these cells were present in larger quantities than would be expected for a man of his age, suggesting an uncommonly robust support system for his neurons. The mystery of Einstein's genius still remains. The enigma surrounding Einstein's brilliance extends beyond the anatomical deviations discovered in his brain. While these distinctive features provide compelling insights, they do not constitute the entirety of his intellectual prowess. The role of Einstein's genetics cannot be overlooked, as these could have predisposed him to higher cognitive abilities. Furthermore, his surrounding environment and personal experiences significantly shaped his intellectual development. Einstein's insatiable curiosity, relentless quest for scientific exploration, and unique problem-solving skills were key factors in honing his cognitive skills. This indicates that his genius cannot be attributed to a single factor, but rather it is the product of a complicated matrix of biological and experiential variables. Therefore, even with the knowledge gleaned from the physical dissection of Einstein's brain, a substantial portion of the puzzle that constitutes his genius remains unsolved. The ethical implications of studying Einstein's brain. The exploration into Einstein's brain, though intriguing and insightful, also shines a spotlight on the ethical issues embedded in such scientific endeavors. The initial removal of Einstein's brain during his autopsy was undertaken without the express consent of his surviving family members, thereby breaching fundamental ethical norms around respect for the deceased. Dr. Thomas Harvey's decision to dissect and preserve the brain post-mortem further compounded this ethical dilemma. The controversy sparked by this incident serves as a stark reminder of the ethical guidelines that must be adhered to, even in the face of compelling scientific curiosity. Consent and respect for the dignity of the deceased must remain at the forefront of any post-mortem study, to ensure that the pursuit of knowledge does not come at the cost of ethical integrity. This incident surrounding Einstein's brain has ignited a necessary discourse on the ethical parameters within which scientific research should operate, underscoring the need for robust guidelines and a commitment to upholding them, regardless of the potential scientific insights at stake. The impact of neurological research on understanding genius. While the dissection of Einstein's brain has prompted ethical debates, its insights have undeniably expanded our knowledge of the neurological aspects of intelligence. The exploration of Einstein's unique neuroanatomical characteristics has emphasized the potential influence of structural variations on cognitive abilities, thus sparking greater interest in the study of neurodiversity. On the other hand, it has also accentuated the multifaceted nature of genius. The exceptional traits observed in Einstein's brain, from the expansive parietal lobe to the robust corpus callosum, do not alone account for his extraordinary intellect. The implications of genetics, the environment, and individual experiences are also substantial contributing factors. This underlines the complexity of intellectual brilliance and suggests that our comprehension of genius is still at a nascent stage. Despite the significant strides in neurological research, the intricate puzzle of human genius continues to challenge and fascinate scientists worldwide. Analysis of Einstein's thought processes and problem-solving abilities. Albert Einstein's problem-solving abilities and thought processes showcased his profound intellect and unique approach to scientific dilemmas. He was known for his remarkable ability to think beyond conventional wisdom, pushing boundaries and challenging the status quo. This innovative mindset empowered him to question established theories, opening doors to new perspectives and groundbreaking ideas. Einstein's use of thought experiments to dissect complex scientific concepts was another testament to his unparalleled cognitive abilities. By mentally simulating hypothetical scenarios, he dissected and tested his theories, yielding valuable insights. Trusting his intuitive insights was another hallmark of Einstein's approach, often guiding him even when they diverged from accepted scientific principles. Another remarkable facet of his intellectual prowess was his aptitude for finding connections between seemingly unrelated concepts, shedding light on new possibilities and furthering his scientific inquiries. Additionally, Einstein's tenacity in unraveling intricate problems, coupled with unwavering determination, played a pivotal role in his problem-solving prowess. These aspects of Einstein's thinking give us a glimpse into his exceptional intellect and his unique approach to scientific exploration.